On 24th August, seeing the efforts and commitment of the APHLC in strengthening 6th schedule of the Constitution of India, the villagers of Wopong Tokbi village, Kania Bay village, Rongjangpong, Borsing Rongpi village, and its adjoining villages under Wopong Tokbi polling station, Longnit, left their old party, that is Indian National Congress, BJP, ASDC, and merged with the APHLC party. Villagers of 11 villages under Wopong Tokbi polling station bestowed their confidence to APHLC. The newly joined party workers were welcomed and felicitated with a Karbi souvenir, Poho, by its president, J.I Kathar. The mass joining program and felicitation program was attended by Singhason Teron, Secretary, APHLC Legal Cell, APHLC Treasurer, Rajan Timung, recent MSc candidate of Lumbajong from APHLC, Deori Teron, President APHLC, Dipu LA, Elvin Keap, President Singhason APHLC Youth Wing, Mekri Inglongpo, Organizing Secretary, Women Wing APHLC, and many notable important dignitaries from APHLC party.
Inut kereng mong chokche kado kami rata reng nai chisong pet agat do an ke pusi neli punat bang no la si punat chisong nun bet ku pusi neli bang joy lo
ini bang ke medum bang ke medu la ram tau biarong pen badak itu se long kerap ini tum la so kerap nun bang ke kidam tang election hosita mane candidate ami khang lang ni ini tum candidate khan ari thegong ni la nang si chagalam ka chalam la hiling alam la asi la puson ke ni tum wood citizen sita ali avidata ku la hai mathala.
Newly joined village headman, while speaking to us, informed why he had left the BJP and joined the APHLC party. He also informed about the faithlessness and hopelessness towards the BJP party. Singhason, while delivering his speech, informed that Wopong Tokbi polling station, covering 11 villages, has a total number of 542 voters. If looked at the data from the recently concluded MSc election, APHLC obtained many as 136 votes, while the ruling government BJP obtained only 112 votes out of 542 voters at Wopong Tokbi polling station. Hence, APHLC exceeding the BJP showed the victory of APHLC at Wopong Tokbi polling station. Mass joining program cum awareness on 6th schedule was concluded successfully and peacefully. Bijoy Rongpi's report from Dilai, Karbi Anglong Live.